Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of SQL Server interview question. So in this video, we are going to solve two problems and our first problem is from Yelp. So the question reads, find the top 5 states with the most 5-star businesses and output the state name along with the number of 5-star businesses and order record by the number of 5-star businesses in descending order. And in case there are ties in the number of businesses, return all the unique states, and if two states have the same result, then sort them in alphabetical order. So here our table is Yelp business. So let's see the data. So this is our data where we have business ID, name, neighborhood, address, city, state, postal code, latitude, longitude, stars, review count is open, and categories. So first we need to identify the column which we need here. So as you can see that we need to find the top 5 states with the most 5-star businesses. So first of all we need to filter out our data where star is equal to 5 because we need 5-star businesses state. And then we are going to use this state column as well. So let's get into it. So first we need to select, so we need state and our table name is Yelp business. So what we need from this table, first we need state and then we need total business by state where the star equal to 5. So we need count of business ID okay as total business, and then we will apply filter where star is equal to 5. So first we will count the total number of business ID by state where star is equal to 5. Okay, so we need to put this state into the bracket and then we will group it by state. So group by state. Okay, so let's run this code now. So now we have got total businesses by state where stars is equal to 5. Now what is the requirement here? We need to find the top 5 state with the most 5-star businesses. So we have already solved this condition, like where our star should be 5. Now we need top 5 states from here. So for that what we will do, we will use dense rank function here to give these rows ranking. So for that we will write dense rank over, and we are giving this rank over order by our total business, which is our count of business ID. Okay, and we need this dense rank over ordered by our count of business ID in descending order. So the highest count will get the first ranking, so in descending order as rank. Now let's wrap this code in a CTE. So with CTE as okay, so now what we need here, so let's run this code again to see the ranking. So now as you can see that the highest total business has got rank 1 and likewise we have got rank for each rows. So now what we will do, we have to select only top 5 state. So select, and we are selecting from CTE. So what we need from here, we need state and total businesses. Okay, we need state and total business from the CTE where our rank is less than equal to 5. So we need rank from 1 to 5. So let's run this code again. So now we have got top 5 states with the most 5-star businesses. So now we need to order it by the total businesses in descending order, and in case there are ties in the number of businesses, then we need to return all unique states in ascending order, which is alphabetical order. So we will write order by total business descending and state in ascending. Okay, so let's run this code again. So now we have got all the rows by total business in descending order and state in ascending order. So as we can see here, in these 3 states we have a tie. So it has provided us row in alphabetical order. So now moving to our second question, which is find order details made by Jill and Eva. So consider this Jill and Eva as first name of customers, and we need to output the order date, details and cost along with the first name. Also order records based on the customer ID in ascending order. Okay, and the tables which we are using here is customers and order. So let's see the data first. So select star from customers and select star from orders. Okay, so let's see the data for customer first. So here we have ID, first name, last name, city, address and phone number. Okay, so here we need the order details made by Jill and Eva. So here first name will be Jill and Eva, and then we need to output the order date, details and cost along with their first name. So the order details will come from our second table, which is orders. Okay, so first we need to combine these two tables by using joins. Select star from orders and we will give it an alias O. So we'll apply left join. Then our second table is customers and we will give it an alias of C. So we are applying join on customer ID. So in customer table we have ID as customer ID, and in orders table we have customer ID. So on C.ID equals to O.cust ID. Okay, and now what we need from here, we need first name, then we need order date, and we need details and cost as well. So order date, order details and cost, which is our total order cost. Okay, so now first we will run this code to see the data. So here now we have first name, order date, order details, total order cost. Now our final step will be, we have to filter the first name where our first name is equal to Jill and Eva. So for that, we will apply where condition. So where first name in, so we will be using in operator here. So in, so now we will provide the list of the name which we need. So we need Jill and Eva. Okay, now we will run our code again. So now we have only those rows where our first name is Jill or Eva. So we have found the order details made by Jill and Eva, and after that we need to order our records based on the customer ID in ascending order. So for that, what we will do, we will use order by customer ID in ascending order. Okay. So now as you can see, we have sorted our data as well. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.